Your 20s are like a crash course in life. It's exciting, messy, and sometimes overwhelming. But I've already learned some big lessons in my first year of being 20, and I'm here to share them with you. Hey everyone, I just turned 20 this year and will be turning 21 soon. And let me tell you, it's a whole new chapter. There's this weird mix of pressure to figure everything out and the freedom to explore and mess up. It's like this in-between phase where you're learning who you are, what you want, and what actually matters. So today, I'm sharing the things I've learned so far in my 20s because let's face it, nobody hands you a guidebook for this age. Lesson 1. People will talk. Focus on your reaction. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that people will always have something to say. Whether you're doing amazing or struggling, someone will have an opinion. But here's the thing, you can't change them. Only how you react. Don't waste your energy trying to control how people perceive you. Instead, focus on staying true to yourself and your goals. Their opinions don't define you, your actions do. Lesson 2. It's okay to not have it all figured out. I used to think by 20, I'd have a clear vision of my life. Dream job, perfect goals, everything. Spoiler alert, I don't, and that's okay. Your 20s are for figuring it out as you go. Try new things, make mistakes, and let yourself grow. If you don't have a clear plan yet, that doesn't mean you're behind, it just means you're still exploring. Lesson 3. Focus on your own lane. Comparison is the thief of joy. You see people traveling the world, building businesses, or making it, and it's easy to feel like you're not doing enough. But here's what I've learned. Focus on your own lane. What works for them might not work for you, and that's okay. Your path is unique for a reason, so trust it and keep moving forward. Lesson 4. Friendships will change, and that's okay. Not all friendships are meant to last forever, and that's something I've had to accept. Some friends will grow with you, and others will grow apart. And honestly, that's just part of life. Your 20s teach you to value quality over quantity, so surround yourself with people who uplift you, challenge you, and truly have your back. Lesson 5. Don't wait for the perfect opportunities. This year, I've learned that waiting for the perfect timing or the perfect chance often just holds you back. If there's something you want to try, start now. Whether it's a project or a new skill or stepping out of your comfort zone. Don't wait for everything to align perfectly. The best time to start is now. Lesson 6. Be kind to yourself. This one is huge, okay? Your 20s are full of mistakes and moments where you feel lost or like you're not doing enough. But the truth is you're learning, you're growing, and you need to give yourself that grace. Don't beat yourself up for not having it all together because, spoiler alert, nobody does. So those are the lessons I've learned so far in my first year of being 20. It's messy, exciting, and it's teaching me so much about myself and life. I know I still have a lot to learn, but I hope these lessons help you feel less alone if you're in your 20s or about to enter them. Bye!